Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the try and Triu functions. So first of all we have to import the Numpy here, and in the Numpy we have created an array, and in the array we have created the array using the ons function, and if you run this you will get the output like this. So you can see this is a 5 into 5 dimensional array, sorry, not dimension, 5 rows and 5 column actually, and all the values are 1 because we have created this by using ons function. Okay, now see the magic. If we call the trial, tril, that is what is the spelling actually, maybe Tril, and run it, you can see all the values of the upside are being 0 and all the values downside are as same as the previous value. So this is actually what is the Tril is, and you can also change the point actually if you make like 2 and hit enter, you can see the value is increasing because this one is index number 0 and this is index number 1, this is index 2 and this is index 3. So we want that from the 2 and the lower will be as the same value. So we have got 3 and so we have got the lower value of these points actually as the same, and the upper value was 0. And if we make it like -1 and run it, you can see it has been changed because it was 0 index and this is -1, this is -2, this is -3 and this is -4 index. So from the -1 index and the lower values will be the same and the upper values will be changed. So this is all about the Tril. Now we want to discuss about Triu. So if we run this, you can see the difference. The lower value is now changed and the upper value as the same. So this is the basic difference of Triu and Tril. So we can also add the index value here, like I am adding 2. Now if we enter, you can see the from the 2 index the upper values are as same as the previous and the lower values are being changed or replaced by 0. So we have created this by using ons. Actually we can make it using a range. So we have created a variable, and in the variable we have made a range of 5 and we have called the Tril module, that is function. Now if we run this, for the a range we will get the range from 0 to 4 actually. The value, you can see no value is upper than 4 and we are getting 1 2 3 4 0 to 4 actually. This is for the range. But the interesting thing is if we use the Tril here, we will also get the zeros from the upside of this array. And you can also modify this like previous. You can see the index has been changed from -2. What is the -2? This is -1, this is -2, and from here we are getting the values, and this 0 is for the range actually. So this is all for the Tril and Triu, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about Numpy, you can access my playlist, link in the description, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So guys, thank you for watching this video.